Want to make money while you sleep? No alarms, no meetings, no boss breathing down your neck. In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're diving deep into one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly passive income ideas out there, selling digital products on Etsy. These aren't physical products you have to ship, store, or worry about running out of. I'm talking about printable planners, social media templates, checklists, trackers, or even cute digital stickers. You make them once, upload them, and they can sell over and over, whether you're awake, at the gym, or binge-watching Netflix. Even better, you don't need to be a designer. In fact, in this episode, I'll show you how to start your own Etsy shop from scratch using nothing but free tools, a bit of creativity, and even AI to make the whole process faster. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start your first online income stream, this is it. Why Etsy works for digital products. Most people think Etsy is just for handmade jewelry or knitted scarves. But here's the truth. Etsy is also one of the top marketplaces in the world for digital downloads. Every single day, people are buying budget planners to get their finances on track, minimalist wall art to decorate their homes, professional resume templates so they can land their dream job, social media bundles for small businesses trying to grow online. And yes, even super simple digital stickers for note-taking apps like GoodNotes or Notability. Why are digital products so popular? 1. Instant gratification. People buy it, download it, and use it right away. No waiting for delivery. 2. Low cost. Many products are priced under $10, so customers don't overthink before purchasing. 3. High demand. Everyone from teachers to entrepreneurs to parents needs resources that make their life easier. And here's the best part for you. Once you create the file, Etsy handles everything. Customers pay, Etsy sends them the download, and you wake up to the notification. You made a sale. That's the magic of a digital product business. What digital products to sell? So, what should you sell? Here's the beauty of it. You can create products around any niche you care about or have experience in. Some hot selling ideas right now include planners and journals, weekly, daily, fitness, budget, travel journals. People love printable organization tools. Instagram templates, ready-made quote posts, carousel layouts, or story backgrounds. Professional resume templates, polished designs that help job seekers stand out. Trackers and checklists, goal trackers, habit trackers. Meal prep lists, wedding checklists. Teacher resources, classroom decor printables, flashcards, homeschool worksheets. Digital stickers, fun or aesthetic packs for digital planning apps. Pro tip, use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche ideas. Instead of selling just a planner, you could target specific audiences. Example, printable planners for real estate agents, meal planners for busy fitness moms, social media template packs for pet groomers. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out. And remember, Etsy shoppers often search for something very specific. Your job is to be the seller that pops up in that exact moment. Tool walkthrough. Here are the exact tools you'll need to create and sell like a pro, without spending a fortune. 1. Canva, free or pro. This is your design powerhouse. Start with pre-made templates, customize colors and fonts, and export your designs as PDFs or PNGs. Pro gives you more assets, but the free version works great for beginners. 2. ChatGPT, your AI assistant. Use it to name products, write SEO-friendly listing descriptions, and come up with creative product ideas. It's like having a copywriter in your back pocket. 3. Etsy, your main storefront. It's where customers will find, purchase, and instantly download your products. 4. Gumroad, optional. Great for selling bundles, upsells, or products outside of Etsy's ecosystem. Perfect if you want to build an email list and sell directly. 5. Creative Fabrica, a goldmine for licensed fonts, clip art, and design elements that are safe for commercial use. You can legally use them in your products without worrying about copyright issues. Why these tools work together? Canva helps you create. ChatGPT helps you sell. Etsy helps you reach buyers. Gumroad helps you scale. Creative Fabrica makes your designs pop. And yes, you can get started with most of these for free. Setting up your Etsy shop. Setting up is easier than most people think. 1. Go to Etsy.com and click Sell on Etsy. 2. Choose your shop name. Tip. Use keywords like printables, planner, or templates in your name so customers instantly know what you sell. 3. Upload your first digital product, PDFs, PNGs, or even a zip file if it's a bundle. 4. Price it competitively. Most printables sell for $3 to $15. Don't underprice too much, but keep it affordable. 5. Write a strong title and description. Use ChatGPT to make it catchy and optimized for search. 6. Create an eye-catching product image. You can use Canva to make a mock-up of your product on a laptop screen or desk scene so it feels more real to the buyer. Within an hour, your shop could be live and ready for its first sale. Marketing your shop. You can't just list your product and hope people find it. You need to drive traffic. The good news? You don't need to spend hundreds on ads. Use organic marketing strategies. TikTok. Show a 10-second clip of you designing a product in Canva or a before and after using your planner. Pinterest. Create vertical pins linking directly to your Etsy shop. Pinterest users love printable content. Instagram Reels. Show quick tips using your product, or flip through pages of a digital planner. YouTube Shorts. Share a 60-second tutorial or behind the scenes of creating your products. And here's a bonus. You can add affiliate links in your descriptions, so while showing off your Canva design, you also earn from people who sign up using your link. Product creation and quality. The technical side of creating professional digital products can make or break your success on Etsy. This segment should walk viewers through essential tools and software options, from free alternatives like Canva to professional programs like Adobe Creative Suite. Explain the importance of using the right file formats, when to use PDF versus PNG, what resolution images need to be, and how to optimize file sizes for quick downloads. Creating compelling product mockups and preview images is an art form that directly impacts conversion rates, so demonstrate how to showcase digital products in realistic settings. Finally, discuss the strategy behind building product bundles and creating natural upsells that increase your average order value without overwhelming customers. Pricing and competition. Pricing digital products correctly requires a delicate balance between competitiveness and profitability. This section should teach viewers how to conduct thorough competitor research, analyzing not just prices, but also what's included in competitor offerings, their review counts, and sales history. Explain different pricing strategies, whether to position as a budget option, premium product, or middle market choice. Cover the psychology of pricing, including the effectiveness of charm pricing and bundle deals. Don't forget to break down Etsy's complete fee structure, including listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing costs, so sellers can calculate their true profit margins and price accordingly. Extra income ideas. Once you have a few products, you can increase your income without creating everything from scratch. Bundle your products. Sell 3-5 related items together for a higher price. Offer a freebie. Give away a small planner or checklist in exchange for an email address. Later, send them your paid products. Create seasonal products. Holiday planners, wedding checklists, back-to-school kits. These sell in specific times of the year. Etsy ads. Even a $1 to $2 daily budget can get your listings in front of more buyers. Add upsells. For example, if you sell a printable meal planner, upsell an editable Canva version for a little extra. Over time, these little additions can double or even triple your monthly revenue. Selling digital products is one of the few online businesses where you can truly create something once and keep earning from it for years. The tools we covered today, Canva, ChatGPT, Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Fabrica, make it possible for anyone, even complete beginners, to launch in a single weekend. Start small. Pick one product idea. Get it listed. Then improve as you go. Check the video description for all the tools and affiliate links to get started right now. And before you click away, drop a comment below. What type of digital product would you sell first? I'll reply to help you brainstorm your first idea.